This is a video chart presentation of OCLR Inc. It's NASDAQ Global Market Stock, trading under ticker OCLR. Starts popping up on the watch list because a little bit of an up day on Tuesday, but most importantly because it's sitting on a pretty common area of support right around $1.11, $1.15. So I want to watch this chart, see if this support level is once again going to hold, see if it's got a bounce in it, or to see if this bottom support's finally going to cave way. Now overall we're getting an uptrend in the MACD, which is an optimistic sign. Want to see it break through zero to go bullish. You can see at that 0 point has definitely been a difficult spot for the MACD. So I'll just keep my eye out for break of the zero mark, see if the trend's going to truly go bullish. ADX, positive and negative DIs, all down low. Not much strength to a direction at this point. Relatively bearish look in the money flow index over the last few months. Accumulation distribution and a pretty solid downtrend. Of course, the price per share has just been getting pummeled. Jake and money flow generally been below zero, saying that selling pressure is outweighing buying pressure. CCI down low. To find a silver lining there, it's trying to hold above negative 100. And generally speaking, it's been making higher lows over the last couple months. Full stow down below 20, basically telling me that there's just no bullish momentum in the play. But again, what would I expect with the way the price per share is falling? And the tricks, similar to the MACD, trying to put together some type of upward trend, but it needs to break through zero to go truly bullish. RSIs, outside of this bounce off the bottom in March, again holding in bear chart territory, showing there's no bullish momentum in the play. I'll be looking for that break of 50 to show some bullish momentum coming in the play. So the indicators are basically where I expect them to be. Price per share is falling from up around $3.20 all the way down to this bottom support. I'll go ahead and I'll draw it there at $1.11, but it's important to note it's an area, runs up to about $1.16, $1.17. Any slip downward, I definitely want to see it hold $1.11. Out of the upside, I'd be looking for resistance right around this old high. I think it actually starts to pick up right there just shy of $1.50. It's kind of serving as a little bit of support in the past. Definitely served as resistance in February, served as resistance again in March. If it makes a move off the bottom again, that's where I'd look for resistance to start stiffen again. Beyond that, I'd come up around $1.95. Of course, 200-day moving average is there, and it was an area of resistance at the latter part of 2012 and early part of 2013. Obviously, it's a substantial move, closing at $1.22 on Tuesday to add 70, 80 cents a share to that point. It's even a pretty nice move to come up and challenge this $1.50 mark, being a move of over 20%. Volume's not bad in this place, 720,000 shares traded on Tuesday. It's right about average for it. As always, I'd like to see an increase in volume coming off the bottom support, show that people see it as a buying opportunity, and I'd want to see that volume stay heavy to try and blow through this resistance point. Any break of that point on a pullback in classic TA, I want to see that resistance to serve as support, and to keep this price per share over top of this 50-day moving average to try and symbolize some sort of overall reversal in the chart. Of course, it's all predicated upon the idea of holding this bottom support, but those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in OCLR. But as always, merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.